Hey, so we're here with the Oculus Go that Aaron just brought me from the US. Thank you very much, Aaron. This is Facebook's and Xiaomi's VR device. It's the first one that is actually an amazing experience for a really low price. It costs about $200 for this version of the 32 gigs, and I think there's another one for $250 for 64 gigs, but you probably only need that if you're a developer or if you make videos, but other than that, the 32 is just fine. As you can see, this is a standalone. It doesn't need any phone, it doesn't have any cables that connect to your gaming PC, so it just works as is. Alright, let's just open and set it up and see what happens. I really love this device. This is my second Oculus Go now. Alright, there's a small kind of cover here that just says to launch the mobile app, just to get started, and it gives you the whole guide for how to do it. Let's play with the straps just so it's more comfortable. Okay. Alright. Okay, so let's take this off. And now, there's a small note here on the lenses that you could ignore, but don't ignore it. This is really important. This device is very sensitive to sunlight. So these lenses are magnifying lenses, and if you put them out in direct sunlight, it could actually burn your screen, and that's what happened to my last device. Don't do it. Keep your device safe, keep it covered, and obviously no liquid cleaners. Yeah, just don't put liquid into it. Okay, this is be smart. So alright, so this is the device. This is the remote. It's really nice and cute and very intuitive. It has a back button, a home button, and a small trigger button, and it has this kind of touch, touch surface. All right, and here in the box we have a charger. We have this separator to help you if you have eyeglasses. It helps to give you a bit more space between you and the device. A battery for the handle of the remote, and this small cable for the remote. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll just set up this small device here. The way you do it is you just click this open and you put the battery in, and I think this goes in this way. Okay. So now we have our remote. Let's see if we have any battery and turn this on. Is it on? I think it's on. Yes, so we are now in VR. It's really simple. Makes a little sound. And one thing that's really amazing about this device, you have I'll turn up the volume here. You don't need any headphones to use this device. Everything is right here in the headset. If you can see, like here, this small black line is a really good speaker, and it gives you I forgot how it's called. It's like a surround sound experience in this small device. So it's really good audio innovation right here. So you don't need anything else. All right, and now it actually tells me to use my phone app. And I don't know why, but it says it's in German. So let's do it, because everything sounds more authoritative in German. Okay, let's pair a new headset. Oh, so this is the app, the Oculus app for pairing a new headset. Let's start now. Hold the power button until the status light turns on. We got it. Oh, we don't got it. Okay, now it's on. Continue. Plug it in. Oh, we need to plug it in. That's not going to happen. Continue. More than one found nearby. Continue.
I didn't bring an extra one.
Yeah, it's mine. So the number is right here on the headset. 73. This is the one. Okay, now the action is starting, pairing your headset. Now it's searching for Wi-Fi. Alright, and I think that's it. Battery into controller is done. I'm using it with my right hand. Okay, you have some more information here about how to use it with glasses, how to attach a lanyard, how to care for Oculus Go. I'm actually going to go into this because I remember nobody told me that it could burn in the sun. So let's see what they tell you. I've been showing this around to hundreds of people, and I think that it's the first device that I found is really easy and simple and fun to use, even for grandparents or people who don't usually like games or tech, kids. I don't know, everybody were mostly very excited about it and got it right away. And that's a bit different from the experience that I think people got with the phone devices, because it's something about it just makes you not want to try it again. It's like you try it for a few minutes, you put it down, and then you never pick it up again. And with this device, I think that it's different. It's the first one that could actually become a consumer product, that I see people buying this, and everybody I know that bought one, I know recommends it to like 10 other friends who then go and buy it. So I think this product is going to go viral. And especially this version, I think is the first one that's good enough. Still, there's a lot of improvements to be had with the angle of viewing. So we're used to seeing, I think 230 degrees is what a usual human sees, but this is only, I think it's 100 degrees. And Oculus and Facebook are already working on a version that has 140 degrees, so that's going to be a huge step up. But yeah, I think the screen could be a bit better, but even now, depends on what you're looking at. Some of the videos really look like it's 2K video, so it's like it's crisp enough that it's almost like looking at your Mac or like 2K screen. I use it to watch movies, so you could definitely hang back on like a couch or a sofa or on your bed and watch a movie. It's like watching a 180-inch screen. That's what Facebook says. And they just released a new product called Facebook TV. Facebook TV lets you, it's like a set-top box that's mobile that you can take everywhere with you. So I think that's one of the most amazing innovations about it. Even without all the 3D and the 360 and all the cool features that VR has, this is a mobile screen. You can take it with you anywhere. It's very comfortable, and I like watching YouTube and Netflix for hours, just like that. I think that's one of the reasons that it's already worth $200. And then obviously all the games and the special experiences that you can have, especially in 3D. I think I like that. So there's two kinds of new viewing experiences in VR. One is the 360, and I think that's the one people most think about. And that's just like when there's a movie that you put this on your face and you can go everywhere. And now that I'm on this chair that goes around, that's really fun. But when you're at home on a couch or on a regular chair, it's not something you want to do. So you don't really want to turn around. It turns out most people just like look a bit right and left and up and down, and that's it. So a lot of people are saying now, if you're a developer, it's easier for you to optimize for 180 degree screen, just to have some picture around here, and not so much on the viewing angle up and down. I mean, it does add if you have the 360 surround experience, but not too much. And I think the main thing that's really special about VR is the 3D. So every eye gets a different picture. Your brain interprets it like it has actual depth, and that's amazing. You can look at, I know you can go on a tour somewhere and you feel like you're actually there because you see things as if you were there, and you see people who are in full 3D, and it's a really exciting experience, especially if you've never tried it before with the more expensive or bulkier sets. This is nothing like your I don't know, Gear VR or something that you put your phone in. It's a completely different level of experience, and I really think you should try it. They did put a lot of innovation into the strap, so that it's supposed to go on like 50-something hairstyles. So you just kind of put it on. Ooh, in the VR. You want to shut down? No, I don't want to shut down. Cancel. All right. So this was the Oculus Go. We're here at SIFTech at JVP. We're here every Tuesday. If you're a developer and you want to try this device, or in any other case, if you want to I don't know if you want to take it from us for a few days, or if you want us to come and give you a demo at one of your events, reach out to us at madeinjlm.org.